Hi everybody, it's May 29th. It's Sunday afternoon and the garden is pretty much ready for us to start making our drills. And we just did some grass cutting today here at the homestead. For the first time ever, well, I shouldn't say first time ever, but the most ever, blossoms on my Stanley plum tree have come out this year. So last year I had maybe two. Look at those beauties. Hopefully I'll get a plum or two this year. I still think I need to prune this back some more, but any of you guys that know, let me know what you think. Pear trees are looking good in the orchard. Apple trees are blossoming, well, leafing out anyways, but I think that this apple tree will have some blossoms as well. You can see little red buds right there. So it's a glorious day here. I got a new Canada flag flying. There's the front end loader from my new tractor. You guys have watched my channel. You've heard me complaining a lot, or dreaming a lot about having a tractor. And if you've seen my other recent video, you'll know that I bought one. And this is it. This is her. It's a 2022 John Deere 1025R. Probably one of the most popular subcompact tractors out there. And I've had the loader off 2 or 3 times just to practice taking it off. And it's not terrible. It takes me 5 minutes maybe. The hardest part is making sure that the kickstand is down all the way. And now I'm about to take the mower off. I've not done that yet, so hopefully it goes well. I won't video it. There's a gazillion videos about these tractors. You will see me using it. If I find something unique or interesting that I don't see posted on YouTube, I'll make a post about it or a video about it. But what we do to make our drills with my old Massey Ferguson, if you've seen those that tractor in some of my older videos, I basically just drive down the middle of the garden bed and my tire tracks squish that soil down and makes me some nice drills and rows to walk in. Yes, we lose some space to grow things, but this isn't a small garden by any means. So maybe I'll get that on video. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Sunday. That's what I'm trying to say. We found a baby snake in the garden today when we were pulling out some weeds. I'll throw a picture of him in as well. He was a sweetheart. I dropped him in the compost pile because that's where some of the snakes like to live. And there's a nice breeze right now to keep the bugs away. Okay, so I just finished what I would consider butchering the garden, but I guess it's not all that bad. This tractor has a wider wheelbase than the little Massey Ferguson that I sold, so my driving was a bit, I guess, misjudged when I wanted to make my drills. But anyway, I tried to start first by backing down the middle, but you really can't back straight. And the power steering on the John Deere is so sensitive, like one little twitch had me all crooked. So I guess that's not terrible. You sacrifice some space and growing space by doing it this way, but you do need a way to get between your drills, you know, your vegetable beds. So we just kind of fix it up a little bit with the rake and the garden claw. This will be a potato bed. I'm not sure what we're going to do with this one. Maybe 2 potato beds crossways, and then flowers on the outside, probably like we did last year, to give it some beauty and color and help with pollination. And this side's a bit rough. The big tractor that tilled it compacted the earth pretty good, so we'll have to work that up. But yeah, we'll do some flowers again this year and see how it goes. I thought about driving across the middle so you don't always have to walk away all the way around, but that's just being lazy and losing garden space for food. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. It's a great Sunday. I won't do much more video. The black flies are starting, and it's time for supper. Thanks for watching, folks, and if you like my video or have any questions, let me know.